My previous video when I was talking about charging your car, I had a granny charger from EV Dance, and this time they've gracefully sent me an extension cable. Now for me personally, where I charge my car isn't outside the house. It's in a car park, and the problem is with that car park there is only one charging point, and that point has two locations. My JQ J7 comes with your kind of very typical standard 5 meter charging cable. And obviously, it does everything I need it to do, apart from be a little bit longer. Now, the amount of times I've come home, gone to park up, and actually I can't get the car close enough where this 5 meter does any good. So that's where today's product is going to fix that problem. All EV Dance's extension cables come in a nice, easy carry case. Me personally, I don't use this because the cable is used every single day and it just gets shoved into the back of the boot. It's nice it comes with it, but for me, not needed. Looking at EV Dance's Type 2 extension cable, you've got two options. You can either go for the 16 amp or the 32 amp. Me personally went for the 32 amp. Price range are only a little bit more to go from the 16 to the 32, so you might as well cover yourself and get the 32. Once you've decided what amperage you want, you can then decide which length cable. They've got the 6 meter, the 8 meter or the 10 meter. I went for the 10 meter because I need as much length as possible to help me out in that car park. Build quality on these are actually really good. The cable is a little bit thicker than your standard J7. You've got your male and female connector points. They do come with dust caps as well. The cables themselves then are IP rated 65, so they are waterproof and dustproof, and also temperature range, I believe is -30 all the way up to 50 degrees. So really, wherever you're going to use these, you're covered. The 32 amp version can go up to 22 kilowatt hours. But for most of us on these kind of standard chargers, they're only what, 7.2, but it gives you that flexibility when you come to other chargers that have got a little bit extra capacity, it can still handle it. So looking at the pricing then for your 6 meter 32 amp, you're going to be looking at £182. And then for this exact cable, 32 amp 10 meter, you want to look at £272. And luckily for you guys, I managed to get a 20% discount code. So it'll be on the screen here, but also in the description box below. I mean, we all know 5 meters, 10 meters is twice as long, but when you lay it down and you lay it flat, like it really does just give you an idea of how much distance you can get away from the charging point to park your car. As always, thank you very much for EV Dance for sending me out this product. Obviously, without the channel supporters, I wouldn't be able to make videos like this. If you've just got a hybrid or an EV vehicle, or you're looking at getting one and you want to know what accessories are out there, then check out EV Dance. There will be a link in the description box below. I've personally been using this cable for over a month and it has not let me down once. And yeah, so the original OEM J7 cable was out. This one is in. Well, as always, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.